Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we're going to be working in one of the most important figures in Argentine tango.
Yes, backward ochos. Okay, here we are at the dance floor, ready for the backward ochos. Let's do this from the basic salida.
Yes. Basic step, we're going to do the ochos, backward ochos inside the basic step. So, how do we do this? Let us show you first very quick so you know where you are facing. So we are doing this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. These are ochos. Boom. Walking into a cruzada, cross, to complete the basic step.
So we are using the backward ochos inside the basic salida or basic step.
That is correct.
So, tip for the backward ochos. This is the topic, so we are doing a side step. For the follower, I'll feel the lead. I rotate the hips and not match the upper body. So I'm opening, in this case, my right shoulder a lot. Following the leader on the same angle. Again, pivot just the hips. And I pull my shoulders back. When I feel the lead, I rotate the hip, pivot, and I pull my shoulders back. So it's not relaxed, it's not here, it's pulling. And then I follow the leader on the timing and the step and the angle of the step. On the last one, going to rotate only the hips to go in line of dance. And from here, we just keep going to the cross and basic step. Resolution.
Very good. So, tips for the leaders, very quick, and very common problems that happen here. So now, side step, boom. We are going to, instead of pushing, we're going to pull. Always remember this. Pull from the left and release from your right. So she has a space. A little bit, you can release just a tiny bit. Ocho. Pull from your right and keep this frame very steady. Side step. Pull from the left, side step. Pull from the right. I'm talking right and left, but it's right shoulder, left shoulder blade. Yep. So right shoulder blade, boom, ocho. At this moment, you have two options. You can do it in close embrace or open embrace. I'm going to do it half close. Not completely close, but close enough. Walking outside. Boom, with the right leg. Here's where you switch your right weight and walk out. Walk outside, not in front, outside just a little bit, and ribcage up for her to land into the cross. Resolution, in front. Hook, not outside, in front, side, and feet together.
Okay, let's rotate and let's show them with this angle. So pay attention how the frame works on the left side for follower and right side for the leader. So we are in close embrace. When we feel the lead and when he leads the ochos, we open. We have a space without opening the chest. It's only the embrace. To do the ocho, we close to the second ocho with the right leg of her. Left, I keep my shoulder back. So I'm traveling from close embrace to open embrace. At the very end, rotate, keep the close embrace, and he's walking on the right side. We go into the cross. We can keep this position, be careful, it's not on top of the leader, it's not getting apart. Same distance. From here we go to resolution and finish in close embrace. So we should move the left side for followers when the left leg goes back. To avoid this, let me just do the first one only. Side step. If I don't move it, I will look like this. And this is very not elegant position and very heavy on the leader.
Yep, it feels really heavy. It feels like tight, yeah? So now let us do it like at least 3 times, changing a little bit the dynamic. We're going to do it on the beat, a little slower also, and a little faster as well. Can we do that?
Good.
So,
before we continue with the next part of the video, we have to tell you something.
We would like to invite you to check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where we have our online tango school. It is a membership-based program where you can sign up and learn all about tango.
You can also get them as downloadable videos.
Once again, Miriam, leonardotango.com, and now let's get ready for the second part of this video. If we do this, we'll go slow, 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 and slow. Slow, 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 slow. We are going to take a little slower the ochos. Slow, 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 walking, slow, cross, slow, slow, pa one, slow, 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 a little faster. Pam, 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 pa, pa, pam, pa, pam, pa, pa, pam, pa, za. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, to start all over again.
It's amazing how you can transform the shape of the figure. If you change the rhythm, if you change the speed, the figure will look really different.
And little by little, you are going to learn that the music will guide you if you have to do it slow, if you have to do it on the beat, or if you have to do it faster.
Great, you get to the end of the video. Remember to like and subscribe with notifications and share with your friends.
Also, make sure to check out the next recommendations that we have coming up and the ones in the description of this video.
Thank you so much.
Bye.